Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we will explore the fastest way to translate a Word document into any language you need. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. It really helps support the channel. Now, let's dive in and discover the most effective way to translate your Word document. There are many apps and online tools available for translating text between languages. However, it is important to choose one that is both effective and efficient, helping you save time without worrying about sharing your text with third-party services. Let's say I have a document in English, but it also contains a paragraph in German. Because I don't know a single word of German, I'd like to translate that specific code into English. To do this, navigate to the Review tab in the ribbon. Next, click Translate in the Language section. From here, you can choose an option depending on whether you want to translate a specific section of the document or the entire document. In our case, I will select Translate Selection. In the translator pane on the right side of the screen, you can let Word auto-detect the language if you are unsure. However, since I know this paragraph is in German, I will select German as the from language. Next, I will select English as the to language. As soon as the selection is complete, translation gets into progress. You will see that translated text in the box below in the right pane. To replace the German text with the newly translated text, all I need to do is just click the Insert button below the box. As you see, the new text has been replaced to German text here in my document. Now, let me undo my changes and bring the original text back. Alternatively, you can select the translated text and copy it using Ctrl+C key combination. Then, paste it using the Ctrl+V key combination anywhere on your document. These are the two options for Word users to translate a section of their documents. In this section, we will explore how to translate an entire document in Word. Let's say I have a Word document in German. Since I don't understand a single word of German, I'd like to translate it into English. To do this, navigate to the Review tab in the ribbon. Next, click Translate in the Language section. From here, you can choose whether to translate a specific section or the entire document. In this section, I will select Translate Document. The translator pane will open on the right side of the screen. If you are unsure of the language, Word can auto-detect it for you. However, since I know this document is in German, I will manually select German as the from language. Then, I will select English as the to language. Finally, I will click the Translate button. Depending on the document's length, the translation process may take anywhere from a few moments to several minutes. And just like that, my document is now in English. We have now covered everything you need to know about translating a Word document quickly and easily. If you have enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I'm here to help. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time.